Let us now take a good look as to how life began. First, they said it was due to the idea of creation. Then Darwin came along and said it was the theory of evolution. They now want to put a new principle for all of us to think about. Intelligent design.
Intelligent design?
These three men are the founding fathers and patent holders of this new intelligent design theory, which explains how all our stuff got here and why it keeps on coming. The founders of intelligent design are, firstly, Count Bartholomew Prozac, also known as Luke. He is the creator, controller, designer of minerals. Secondly is Dr. Beta Carotene, also known as Duke. He is the founder, creator, controller, and eater of vegetables. Our third gentleman is Roger Rabbit, also known as Duke. He is an animal, and he eats animals. He creates animals, and he looks like an animal. These three men, through the theory of intelligent design, explained how everything was created in the universe, primarily through intelligence, which they do not have, but they are willing to receive.
Design everything? Come on.
A closer look at Count Bartholomew Prozac, also known as Luke, gave us minerals. He figured out how to keep everyone happy through mixing rocks and metals and putting them into little gelatin capsules. Just go to your favorite drugstore and ask for Luke. We now have Dr. Beta Carotene. Through his research in vegetables, we are now regular. He found that conifer plants can be eaten with large amounts of olive oil, and we can now grow adoptive genes, enabling us to have sex with Mr. Potato Head and many other household objects. This now brings us to Professor Roger Rabbit, the creator, designer, and eater of animals. Through Professor Rabbit's research, our government is now reaching a deficit of over $40 trillion. However, China has agreed to purchase all our land and every material possession that every American owns in exchange for translating all of the CDs made by Red Fox and Triumph the Comic Insult Dog, translating them into Chinese. The wise men, Luke, Juke, and Duke, grew impatient. They decided to put all of the minerals, vegetables, and animals together into one big mix and create a new type of creature, sort of like the type they were trying to become. They called them human beings, and they look like this.